Hello guys, on this video I'm showing you how to get a 30 days trial of Kartra. So how to extend the trial of Kartra from 13 days to 30 days. And it's really easy to do, and I will show you in this video. And I will show you also how to get my bonus for using my affiliate link in Kartra. So you have to get the 30 days trial, you have to arrive to this page. To arrive to this page, you have to click on the link that you find here below the video or also inside this video. It's my affiliate link. You arrive here. You have to use this link through a computer, so a laptop or other computer, not with mobile or other things like, for example, tablet. So use from computer. You arrive clicking the link to this page, and when you arrive to this page, you click start your trial. And when you click start your trial, you have to you arrive to this page, and then you have to go with the mouse out of the page, and so a pop-up appears and you have the extension to 30 days trial. You have to click on the green button and insert your data and proceed with the payment. You have to pay only $1. It's the Kartra Silver plan, the only plan available for this extension. But in the 30 days, you will have also the possibility to downgrade to the starter plan of Kartra. The important is that you get the 30 days trial with this payment of $1. Okay, now I'm showing you what you get for using my affiliate link. So you will see my bonus, the bonus that I prepared for you. So let me show you now. So I have prepared some funnels for you. You have to know that all my affiliates can get my funnels ready to go for free. So these are funnels that people that are not my affiliate have to pay, and my affiliate have this funnel for free. I'm showing you some example of my funnels. So this, for example, is a funnel for a gym, and so it's useful not only for gym owners, but also if you are an online marketer that want to sell lead generation services to gym, you can use this funnel ready to go. You can sell to gym and earn money. So this is an example. I will show you another one. This is the landing page I've created with a countdown, and it's a page with the animations, and you can see all the section. You can also personalize all the section, the images, the text of this page and of my funnels. Everything is personalizable, and so you can see it's one page, so it is focused on the call to action. So people have to leave their data to get a free pass for 2 people in the gym. So if you click every button, you go here to the call to action. The countdown is synchronized with the other one, and also the other call to actions all send to the place to enter their data. So it's an optimized funnel, and also the menu here is set to keep the person in the page. Okay, and it's a responsive funnel, work very well also in mobile and tablet. So every section is correctly setted, and you have also an exit pop-up. So if I go out, an exit pop-up with another countdown that is synchronized is set here, and you can also personalize the timing. All is personalizable. And when people enter name and email, I'm showing you where they go. So I write an example. For example, I use I enter a name and an email, Okay, flag here. You see in Italian because my Kartra account is in Italy, but when you clone my account, when you clone my funnel, you will see all these things in English. Don't worry. Okay, so this is the thank you page, and there is also this button to send the person back to the other page if he enter a fake email or a wrong email. So if I click here, and I give you also the automatic email that arrived to the person, and this email give to the person the coupon that he asked for. Okay, and this is one example of a funnel that you can get for free being my affiliate. I will show you another example. Just a moment. So this is another funnel that I'm showing you. For example, it's a restaurant coupon funnel, and you will get also this funnel for free being my affiliate, and you will get all my next funnel that I'm preparing in all the niches. You can get all my funnel for free being my affiliate. So also here all is set to go perfectly with the animation. You can see the funnel, and so all is set it right. And if I click here, I write a number. Okay, give my coupon. Okay, here is the thank you page with the button to go back, and also the automatic email is set to go to the customer, and you will get also this automation. So these are only 2 examples of funnel you can get for free being my affiliate, and so on this video you have seen how to get 30 days trial of Kartra and how to get my funnels for free. So you have only to click the link here below, or the link you see in the video, and then you send an email to info@lorenzoniasutta.net, and you will get also my funnel for free. So see you in the next video. Enjoy Kartra and make money. Bye.